Want to make money on YouTube without showing your face, without filming videos, and without editing them yourself? In 2025, YouTube automation is bigger than ever. Thanks to AI tools, freelancers, and smart systems, people are turning YouTube channels into passive income machines. In this video, you'll learn what YouTube automation is, how it works in 2025, and how you can start earning money even if you're starting from scratch. YouTube automation isn't a new platform. It's a business model. It means outsourcing or automating the entire YouTube content creation process. That includes script writing, voiceovers, video editing, thumbnail design, publishing, and SEO. You're essentially running a faceless YouTube channel like a media company. You're the producer, not the on-camera talent. Popular niches for automated channels in 2025 include top 10s and documentaries, AI news and tech breakdowns, luxury lifestyle, animated explainers, motivational content, and finance recaps. Let's break down how each part of the process works in 2025. First, script writing. AI tools like ChatGPT and Jasper can generate video scripts instantly. You can enter a prompt like top 5 space discoveries in 2025 and get a full script in seconds. Next, voiceovers. AI voice tools like ElevenLabs and Lovo create natural, studio-quality narration. You can even clone your own voice or choose a professional-sounding one with the tone and style you want. For video creation, tools like Pictory, Runway ML, and Descript let you turn scripts into full videos using stock footage, animations, and auto-editing. Some creators use freelancers on sites like Fiverr or Upwork to handle the editing. Thumbnails are still critical. Tools like Canva, Photoshop AI, or Thumbnail AI help generate eye-catching images. For titles and tags, vidIQ, TubeBuddy, and ChatGPT can help you optimize for search. Now, let's talk about how to make money. There are 5 main income streams for YouTube automation channels. First, AdSense. Once your channel hits 500 subscribers and 3,000 watch hours, you can monetize. In 2025, CPMs range from $2 to $5 for entertainment and up to $25 or more in finance and tech. Second, affiliate marketing. Promote digital products or Amazon items and earn commissions from your links. Third, sponsored content. Companies pay for mentions even on faceless channels. Payouts range from $100 to over $10,000 depending on your niche and views. Fourth, selling digital products. You can promote ebooks, courses, templates, and more, all linked in your video description. Fifth, channel flipping. Build and sell automated channels on platforms like Motion Invest or FameSwap for 20 to 40 times their monthly revenue. Here's what's changed in 2025. YouTube Shorts monetization is better than ever. AI-generated content is allowed as long as it's high quality and original. The algorithm now rewards viewer retention and storytelling more than anything. And while the process is automated, success still depends on strategy and execution. Want to launch your own automated YouTube channel? Here's your 5-step plan. 1. Pick a niche. 2. Outline 10 video ideas. 3. Use AI to create your first script and voiceover. 4. Use Pictory or hire an editor to build your video. 5. Upload and optimize your title, description, and thumbnail. Start with 1 to 2 videos a week, track your analytics, and double down on what works. YouTube automation isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. But if you treat it like a business, stay consistent, and use the tools available in 2025, you can build a scalable, faceless YouTube brand that earns while you sleep. And if you're serious about starting your own automated channel but don't want to do it alone, I offer a full YouTube automation service. Whether you need research, scripting, voiceovers, editing, thumbnails, or full channel management, my team and I handle it from A to Z so you can focus on growth and income. DM me or check the link in the description to book a free strategy call. Comment automate if you're ready to launch your channel in 2025. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. I offer YouTube automation services on Fiverr. You can find the link to my Fiverr profile in the description and in the pinned comment below.